you want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Apple's new AirPods are here, and in this video we are going to look at them. And this is Naveed Ahmed Khan and you're watching Checo Tech. And guys, here is the final look of AirPods 3. They were first leaked on iOS 13.2 beta version and on /leaks too. So guys, if we look at the design of AirPods 3, Apple left the AirPod design untouched when introducing the second generation of AirPods. So in AirPods 3, Apple is working on their design, fitment, noise cancelling capabilities and sound system of their AirPods. And guys, the new AirPods 3 are going to be smaller with big drivers, and they are going to fit better in your ears because they are coming with earbuds. And with the help of earbuds, they will provide you better noise cancelling capabilities because they will fit snug in your ears and they will not fall out like the older ones while you are running or doing exercise. And guys, Apple is also working on their sound system, and they are going to use new drivers for AirPods 3 for better sound experience. And guys, the AirPods 3 will come with IP68 rating for better waterproofing and with a better battery life, which will be up to 8 hours of single charge. And guys, according to some rumors, AirPods 3 will come with multiple color options and there will be matte black AirPods 3. And guys, if we talk about the pricing of the AirPods 3, they will come around a price tag of $200 to $250. And the AirPod 3 is going to launch, according to some rumors, in early 2020. And guys, you tell me in the comment section whether you like the design of new AirPods 3 or not. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will keep you updated. Thank you so much.